Hello friends! We've compiled a list of new and affordable machines from Amazon to start a profitable business. The links to each machine are waiting for you in the description below. Laundry capsules offer not only convenience, but also significant time savings for consumers. Their demand remains consistently high as they're incredibly easy to use. Simply toss one into the washing machine and that's it. But that's just the beginning. Pet care is a rapidly growing market. You can produce capsules with shampoos, conditioners, and other grooming solutions that are perfect for bathing cats, dogs, and even more exotic animals. This machine enables the automatic production of 3D ladders using various materials, such as aluminum, as well as composite and flexible materials. It can be used to create eye-catching signage that grabs attention. Additionally, it's perfect for enhancing the interiors of cafes or restaurants by adding stylish and branded elements. Another practical application is the production of outdoor signs and wayfinding displays for parks or shopping centers, where durability and aesthetics are essential. Batteries are used in a wide range of modern devices, from smartphones to electric vehicles. This machine plays a crucial role in the production of lithium-ion batteries. It applies a specialized coating to electrodes, evenly distributing active materials across their surface. By adjusting the type and thickness of the coating, it's possible to create materials with unique properties, enabling the development of batteries with higher capacity, increased durability, and faster charging times. Wet wipes are an essential product in today's world, and with this machine you can create a variety of product lines for different needs. From versatile wipes for home and office use to antibacterial wipes for medical facilities and pharmacies. The possibilities are endless. You can also produce cosmetic wipes for makeup removal and hypoallergenic baby wipes. With such a wide range of options, you're sure to find your niche and bring your ideas to life. For tackling complex construction tasks, such as reinforcing vertical or inclined walls, this machine is your ideal solution. With its built-in injection pump and cement mixer, the mixture is prepared and applied directly on site, saving you valuable time. Its mobility allows for easy movement around the construction site, and the control system enables precise adjustment of the feed rate and layer thickness. This machine ensures a tight seal on metal cans containing liquids, preventing leaks and preserving product quality. Imagine packaging oils and industrial liquids. Sealing motor oil, lubricants, and other industrial fluids will prevent leaks and make transportation safer. In the construction industry, it can be used to package paint, varnish, and adhesive. With this seemingly simple yet versatile equipment, you can cover a wide range of markets and meet the needs of various customers. Peanuts in their shells are usually cheaper than the shelled ones because the latter undergo additional processing, which increases their cost. By purchasing peanuts and shells wholesale at a lower price, you can use this equipment to clean them. This is particularly profitable if you plan to sell packaged peanuts or use them to create value-added products such as peanut butter or roasted peanuts. Supporting this business, a packaging machine can complete the peanut processing cycle by enabling you to package the shelled product. Designed for handling granular products, including nuts, it allows you to easily package them into individual bags or jars. By purchasing this machine, you can start your own gummy candy production. This is a complete production line that includes all stages of the manufacturing process. It mixes the ingredients, pours the mixture into molds, and finishes with packaging the final product. With this line, you can produce a wide range of gummy candies with customizable flavors, shapes, and colors to suit your needs. Palletizing products is a crucial step in protecting goods during transportation and storage. With its rotating platform and automatic wrapping system, the machine ensures goods are safeguarded against damage and contamination. The touchscreen interface allows you to easily adjust packaging parameters such as the number of film layers and tension level. You can enter the world of cosmetics manufacturing. The system automates the process of putting lipstick sticks into plastic cases, an important step in the production of cosmetics. It precisely inserts the sticks into the containers, ensuring correct orientation and tight fit. Standard operations are simplified and the entire process becomes less dependent on human involvement. If you're planning to start a food-related business such as producing grains, nut butters, or spices, this machine is an absolute must. The separator removes metal impurities from raw materials, ensuring the safety and quality of your product. The system operates automatically. Sensors scan the material, detect any metal particles, and instantly remove them from the flow. Syrup-filled straws are a unique product that combines convenience and indulgence. Each straw contains a liquid filling, whether it's fruity syrup, chocolate, or caramel, turning every sip into a sweet treat. Now imagine these straws being used in beverages. This opens up even more possibilities. Syrup-filled straws transform plain milk, juice, or even coffee into an original dessert. They can be sold as part of a drink package or as a standalone product. This machine is designed for polishing, cleaning, and descaling metal surfaces such as stainless steel, aluminum, and other materials. With built-in brushes and abrasive components, it effectively removes dirt, rust, and corrosion, restoring the metal to its original condition. Offer polishing and cleaning services for metal items to private customers and establish a reliable and profitable business. The hydraulic rock splitter is a powerful piece of equipment that becomes an essential tool for working with rock formations. The machine is ideal for breaking large stones and boulders, simplifying their transportation and further processing. This is particularly valuable in the extraction of granite, marble, or limestone. It can also be used to split ore blocks, streamlining the process of extracting valuable minerals. Plastic bottles are a key component of packaging across various industries, from food production to pharmaceuticals. This machine allows for the production of bottles ranging in size from 6.8 ounces to 2.6 gallons, adapting to the diverse needs of your business. With it, you can efficiently produce packaging for water, oil, chemicals, and other products, ensuring you remain competitive in the market. This is not just another ordinary filling machine, but equipment designed for highly specialized tasks in the pharmaceutical industry. It's specifically used for filling ampoules with medications, ensuring that each contains a precisely measured amount of liquid. The machine helps maintain strict sanitary standards, eliminating the risk of contamination, and thanks to its rarity, you will always stay one step ahead of your competitors. Use this 360-degree photo booth to highlight the unique features of your products, showcasing them from every angle and creating engaging content for marketing and social media. It's perfect for capturing items like jewelry, cosmetics, gadgets, or clothing, emphasizing every detail. This is an excellent tool for online stores, manufacturers, and brands looking to enhance their product presentation and attract more customers. Not all business machines are fully automatic. With some, you can literally do everything yourself, but much more conveniently and efficiently. The kneading machine is exactly that, combining elements of hand knitting with enhanced efficiency. It allows you to create a variety of items, such as scarves, hats, and even children's clothing like sweaters, vests, and booties. You can make anything, anywhere, turning kneading into a simple and inspiring process. Napkins are an everyday product used everywhere, from homes and restaurants to offices and medical facilities. They're essential for maintaining cleanliness, setting tables, or performing hygienic procedures. This machine produces napkins that undergo a complete processing cycle, from embossing to folding and cutting. Custom embossing adds attractive patterns and textures to the napkins, helping your product stand out in the market. The automatic folding feature allows napkins to take on various forms, such as quarter or tree folds, enhancing their presentation and usability. Creating your own cakes is an exciting idea that allows you to unleash your creativity while crafting a unique product. With this cream application and cake decorating machine, you can easily and quickly give your creations a professional finish. It helps evenly distribute cream, add beautiful details, and significantly speed up the process. The coffee printer unlocks new opportunities for various businesses, from coffee shops to bakeries and even bars. In coffee shops, you can delight customers with unique images on their coffee, adding logos, designs, or custom messages to their drinks. In bakeries, this machine becomes an essential tool for decorating cakes, cupcakes, or cookies, making it perfect for holidays, weddings, and themed events. In bars, you can amaze guests by printing logos or fun designs directly onto beer foam. Using this machine for these purposes is sure to impress your customers. By adding this machine to your business, such as a restaurant or cafe, you can diversify your menu and make drink presentations more creative. Peeled coconuts can be used to serve cocktails, creating an exotic atmosphere. Coconut water served directly in a peeled coconut or tropical-style cocktails will look stunning on social media, helping to attract a new audience. The double cone production machine is an essential tool for any business working with ice cream. You can utilize this equipment in mobile sales points, simplifying the process of creating cones and helping you meet high demand. This in turn allows you to focus on customer service and expanding your product range. This semi-automatic pipe bending machine offers numerous possibilities across various industries. In the automotive sector, it's ideal for creating components for exhaust systems and other parts. In construction, it's used for pipelines, handrails, and support structures, while in furniture manufacturing, it's perfect for forming frames for chairs and tables. The machine is capable of bending pipes made from various materials, including stainless steel, aluminum, and copper. Indispensable in the construction industry, this machine is designed for automatic leveling of cement floors while simultaneously mixing concrete to the perfect consistency. It can cover large floor areas, making it especially useful for large-scale construction projects, while adjustable height settings ensure precise customization to meet the specific requirements of any project. For ease of transportation and use on site, the machine is equipped with wheels, offering mobility despite its size. Ice cream, cotton candy, or popcorn vending machines may seem commonplace, but how about deep-fried French fries? Imagine how convenient and quick it would be for a customer to get hot, freshly made fries on demand, with the option to choose sauces and additional toppings directly from a vending machine. This not only offers convenience for the customer, but also provides an excellent opportunity to increase profits by offering a popular and beloved treat. Shaomai consists of steamed dumplings usually filled with pork, shrimp, or vegetables, wrapped in thin dough wrappers. Bring Chinese culture into your kitchen with a machine designed for their production. This delicacy, perfect for restaurants, cafes, and food service businesses, will add a unique touch to your menu. You can easily adapt the recipe to suit various needs, offering your customers a variety of fillings and sizes. This machine is perfect for restoring antique or vintage items. For example, it can be used to clean old furniture, metal, or stone elements such as doors or window frames. The sandblaster carefully removes dirt and old coatings without damaging the material's structure. This allows the items to be restored to their original appearance, adding value in the restoration process. You can even record the restoration process and earn additional income by sharing the videos. Imagine how this vegetable and fruit cleaning machine can improve the operation of your restaurant or cafe. Instead of spending time on manual preparation, your staff can focus on other important tasks. This not only saves time, but also enhances the quality of service. Additionally, this machine is perfect for stores selling ready-to-use products. By offering your customers pre-cleaned and ready-to-eat vegetables and fruits, you will increase the convenience of their shopping experience.